This is part of a series of videos, live training videos on a Doosan Lynx 220 CNC lathe. It's a 2-axis lathe, small lathe, quite quick, very adequate, quite pleased with this one. So this first one is about the stopping and starting of the spindle and jogging the spindle. So we need to be in a manual mode. So this would be either jog or hand wheel or zero return in order to start the spindle, and the door needs to be closed. So we've got our forward button, our reverse button and our jog button, which makes this spindle forward button flash, which means that when we press the green button the spindle will jog. And that, if I press it again, back to spindle forward. So while I've got that button depressed, it flashes and tells me that I'm in jog. Now you can see there, if I do it with the door open, it slows it down, so you can jog with the door open, but if you switch it back to normal spindle, then that spindle won't start with the door open. So there it is, jog, nice and slow with the door open, and you can use that. You can't stop it there, but you can't run the spindle. You can't run your spindle.